Hello friends. Welcome back. This is Sebastian Blessing here. Hope so you are good by the grace of God. Last time we have learned that how to convert Word file to PDF. To watch that video, click on this I button and watch that video to learn how to convert Word document to PDF. Today I want to show you how to convert PDF file to Word document. So many times we need to edit PDF files, but we cannot edit PDF files before convert it into Word document. Let's start to convert PDF to Word. This is very easy. First of all, open your PDF file and also open Microsoft Word. I have this file. Let's convert this file to Word document. Open both windows on screen. Drag your PDF file and drop it into Microsoft Word. A box will show. Where is a message from Word that Word will now convert your PDF to an editable Word document. Click OK to convert. Your file will convert into Word document. Now you can edit it, edit text and etc. Hope so this video is also very useful for you. Like and share this video to others. Consider subscribing my channel to watch more videos like this. Thank you.